How to set up your Shopify e-store. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Shopify e-store. You will be linked to the picture as shown in the second slide after you've clicked on the Add Product button. This is also the place where you upload your product images and description. You will also notice that there are some options for you to choose just below the Add Product button. This is where you can select your own selling channel. Feel free to determine which channels suit you best. By clicking the Payment button, you will notice that Shopify provides you with two different payment methods, which are Shopify Payment and PayPal. Choose the one most convenient for you to handle. As you see in the picture, the Packages option is the package size for you to use when you ship your product shipping labels. In this part, you'll need to enter the title, type, and dimension. In this part, you'll get to know and choose the extra tax rates included in your product's price. Just a friendly advice, it is better to include the tax in your price so that people will not have the "I am paying for the tax" feeling.